share my experience. So I'm going to open up the box right in front of you guys to let you guys know exactly what components that I ordered and what is included as part of the package that I've done. So let's start with that. And so I'm really excited because I have looked around different GPS systems to compare Tracimo, the Marshall GPS, and some Bluetooth, etc., AirTag. And I feel that if you really want to invest in a good GPS system that is reliable, and I believe that, in my opinion, again, the Marshall radio telemetry probably the reliable GPS that you'll ever find in the market. It is very expensive. It's going to roughly cost me around close to $1,900 including the taxes to Canada for custom clearance, and the shipping additional $80 or something like that. So all in all, around $1,900. So let's open up the package, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to take this back to Dubai. Currently I'm in Toronto, Canada. So the part 2 of this video I'll go through the illustration how to mount the options to connect the GPS to the Parrot. In my case, I have a Macau, blue and gold Macau, and the option that I selected, there are 2 options that comes with it. One is the tail option, the other one is called the leg option. So the one that I chose is the tail option. So there you go. This is how everything pretty much came. This is my invoice. Again, this is a bit expensive unit. 1,900, everything including shipping, like I said, $1,900. But definitely, I would say this is a good investment because I have been in a situation where I have lost my bird. The recovery might be a little bit challenging. So in order to have peace of mind, this is what I chose as I do the free flight with Elijah. So let's open it up. Wow, I don't know exactly what it is. Oh wow, there's a case. It's a nice case as well. I'm going to put all these right for me. In case anything else. There's nothing else in the box. So this is all I received. So let's open it up. Let's see. There you go. I'm not sure how to open this. Push. This is a little bit. Oh, there you go. All right. So as you open this, the case is pretty good, and then you get all the instructions. The GPS quick start guide. So I'm going to follow through the mounting options, how it is done, and etc. once I get back to Dubai. So I'll keep this for now on the side. So let's see what components are included. And one more thing that I want to share with you guys. At the time of the purchase, there are 2 options. One option is when you do the checkout, you use the code called BirdTricks code. That code gives you a dummy GPS unit in case if the bird decides to chew the GPS and etc. So you kind of custom that by mounting on the bird, so that way you're pretty much avoiding the bird accidentally destroying the expensive GPS unit. So use the code BirdTricks, and that would give you a dummy GPS to mount it on the bird. So let me take that out. All right. So there you go. So if you notice that, this is the actual GPS. Let me bring it a little bit closer. And this is the dummy unit. So in case of the bird, until the bird gets used to it, you just put it on, and so even if it destroys, not a big deal. And then this is the actual unit that eventually that you're going to mount it, make sure that you use it during the free flight. So the dummy and the actual one. And the next is the pocket link, which is the receiver. And then you got the USB. And also what I want to say, when you do the checkout, in order to get the dummy unit, you need to use the code BIRDTRICS. So this is the package. It will be engraved on the pocket link, shows as BIRDTRICS. Very important that if you guys go in that route, use that code. You don't get additional discount or anything, but it's just the dummy unit that you're gonna get with that. And this is the antenna. That goes right there. And then the USB cables. And then it comes with two the batteries. And I had an additional battery. So this is like whatever the price. So this unit comes with two batteries, and you can purchase one additional battery or whatever the batteries that you need. So, but however, this can support for the recharge only 3 units at a time. So there you go. I'm going to leave that by you as well. And this is what do you call the magnet ring? So you pretty much activate this by using that. Now, I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. So this package. Let me open this as well. So as part of the package, this is all you get, excluding this additional battery that I charged. This will, like I said, this will cost around $1,900 US, including shipping and custom clearance and etc. to Canada. And now these ones that I ordered some extra, the tail options for the mounting, and then also some antenna just in case if I need to do a fuel replacement. For example, that let's say if the bird choose this and I need to get it replaced, so I got some extra units just in case. And so this is from Marshall GPS, and so I'm really excited about mounting this on a larger and try for the free flights. And definitely my second part of the video will consist the mounting options and the peace of mind and etc. Thank you guys.